Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel RJ Crafts. I am RJ, you are watching RJ Crafts. So today I'm gonna show you this pattern, beautiful pattern. It's not hard at all. When you crochet you can understand how it's a. This wool isn't that much good, but I hope you can learn. So I hope you will love this pattern. I will show you step by step this video. So let's start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This pattern multiple 5. I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can use whatever your size you can make. You can make odd number motif like 25. You can make 20 just plus 2. Okay, I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm gonna make small model. Oh, I have 20. I'm gonna make 25, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I have 25. You can make 20 like 100, or you can make whatever your size want. You can make odd number like I made 25. I'm gonna plus 2 more. 1, 2. So I'm gonna make in second chain, okay, single crochet. I'm using 3.5 millimeter hook. You should read your label yarn which you are using your yarn. So always recommend yarns what hook size you have to use. So I'm gonna continue like this with single crochet. I'll show you at the end. I am at the end this row, first row with single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Turn, yarn over in the same stitch. Where is this? I'm gonna make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So then 1 puff, yarn over, same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then crochet, chain 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fifth, make single crochet. Then make 1, 2, 3. In the same stitch, make 3 double crochet, 2, 3. Then puff 1, 2, 3. Then closed, chain 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the fifth, single crochet. Then chain 3, yarn over in the same stitch. 2, 3. Then puff same stitch. 1, 2, 3. chain 1, 1 2 3 4, fifth. In the fifth, make single crochet. 1 2 3, yarn over, same stitch. 1 2 3, yarn over, puff, same stitch. 1 2 3, close, chain 1, 1 2 3 4 in the fifth, then chain 3, 1 2 3, yarn over in the same stitch. 1 2 3, make chain 1, then 1 2 3 4 in the fifth, so you can see it look like this. Puff on here, so here 1 2 3, chain 3, yarn over, which where I made this puff, make like this, one there, each make front post with each double crochet, make front post double crochet. Okay, next puff, so don't left any. Continue like this. Sorry. Next. So each, don't forget any. Like this. So here at the end, make like this. Okay, double crochet. So now you can see chain 3, same process. I'm gonna make like this, yarn over in the same stitch. Here make double crochet, 1 2 3, then puff, 2 3, chain 1. Okay, here always 1 2 3 4 in the fifth, which is the coming top of this. Make chain 3. Again here 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, puff, seam stitch, 1, 2, 3. Same 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 5th, which is the same. Oi. 1, 2, 3 in the same stitch. 2, 3, yarn over, puff, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 5th, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, then puff, seam stitch, 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 5th, chain 3, same process, 3 double crochet always, then puff, seam stitch, at the end 1, 2, 3, 4, at the end 5th one, make single crochet. You can see lovely pattern. I hope you will love this pattern when you make it. Then easy to understand this pattern. This way you can see like this. So 1, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, with this gonna make double crochet, continue like this. I will show you at the end. Okay, continue like this. So viewers, I am at the end this row, so it will go just in 2 rows. Okay, always chain 3. So I'm gonna make again here 1, 2, 3, again puff, 1, 2, 3, close, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 5th, okay, chain 3, same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, yarn over, puff, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 5th, chain 3, 1 2 3, sorry, 3, chain 1, 1 2 3 4 in the fifth, sorry, 1 2 3, same stitch, 1 2 3. Why did, sorry viewers, I did a mistake here. I forgot to make 3, 1 2 3, puff, now 1 2 3 4 in the fifth. Sometime when you do this you can't forgot. 1 2 3, then pop 1 2 3, close it, chain 1 1 2 3 4 and the fifth, 1 2 3, 2 3 4 and the end one, fifth, then chain 3. So now I will show you at the end. It's beautiful pattern and easy, not hard at all. Okay viewers, I'm gonna stop my pattern in here. I hope you will love this pattern. It's easy, not hard at all. So you can see this is back side, this front side. So I hope you will love it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for nice compliment.